Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Azhien LED desk lamp. It's a dimmable desk light with USB charging port, a 5 lighting modes and 5 brightness levels. It's a modern, eye-caring, bright table lamp with touch control and a timer function for 45 minutes. For working, for studying, for sleeping, for reading, as you like. And here it comes in a white finish. It's also available in black. A 6-watt, 450 lux LED lamps with 42 full spectrum LED beads. No bulb changing troubles. These office desk lamp light are designed to be soft, stable and non-flickering, which avoids eye fatigue caused by flickering light and harsh glare effectively. It's ideal for reading, studying, working, and of course, relaxing. Why relaxing? Because of the dimmable LED desk lamp here. It has 5 brightness levels and 5 lighting modes. We are free to choose any lighting mode we want. It's a dimmable LED lamp with light from 3000 K, a K's Kelvin, warm light to 6500 K for Kelvin cool light, suitable for all occasions of daily use. And designed with touch control. This makes it easier for us to adjust the desk lamp light color by lightly pressing or set the brightness by lightly sliding the touchpad, which memory function allows us to set the brightness and the color mode only once. Then with the desk lamp will remember its last setting. That means no need to reset every time. And we can charge our phone or other devices within reach with the built-in 5-volt 1A USB output, no matter the light is on or off. With a 45-minute automatic off timer, the lamp on the desk will turn off automatically, no matter we are walking, reading, sleeping, or dozing off. And also a good choice as a night light. And of course, you do not have to use the 45-minute timer. You can switch it off, or you will switch it on. But I think it's really cool at nearly night. If Lullaby is near, then it's a good thing. If you like to read, then choose the 45-minute timer, start reading, and get a little bit of nap or sleep, and then this time function will stop the light beam and shut off. Azhien is a manufacturer of lighting for over a decade. They commit to improving the lives of us by providing the quality electronic at affordable price. And that's right, it's a really cheap device here, but it looks good and it makes a good light. 45 eye-caring tech upgraded bead chips with soft, stable and non-flickering light. This is ideal for reading, for studying, for working, and of course for relaxing. We have 5 color temperatures and 5 level of brightness to choose from warm light to natural light, of course to cool light. One lamp for all occasions of the daily use and need. And I like it really much because the built-in 5-volt 1A USB charging port allows us to charge our smartphone, in my case it's an iPhone, at night within reach without setting up an extra wall charger or an adapter. And the sensitive touch control is really easy to turn on and off. And of course, here you can see we can change the color mode. We slide to adjust the brightness as we like. And the memory function is awesome. We set the mode we like once. And we no need to reset it every time because it will know this setting. And if you switch it off, And after 1 or 2 days, maybe you will switch it on again. It will comes with the same mode there. That's the cool memory effect. And 45-minute out-off timer. We do not need to worry about turning off the light anymore. We no matter we are working, reading, or sleeping. No. 45 timer, switch off the light immediately. And it 180 degrees flexible arm and 90 degrees base axis. We can adjust to any angle we need. Also, we can fold it flat for storage when it is not in use. It's a modern design. It fits in any type of decor for home, office, school, where you like. This LED lamp is not wireless rechargeable, okay? And it's with no battery. So we will need a power supply. A 5-volt 2 ampere up to 3 ampere power adapter or a QC 3.0 plug is recommended. That means if you have on your desktop a computer or a laptop, you can dock it there with the USB, no problem. Or otherwise, you can use your smartphone AC adapter to get the power which this lamp needs into the lamp by using the included wire. And then you can recharge your phone with the lamp. Really cool. To avoid damage to our eyes, we should not look in the LEDs, light emitted diodes, directly. We can use the USB port to charge our smartphone, tablet, whenever the lamp is on or off, because there is energy all day long. So we should keep the lamp away from sun, rain, and wetness, which will affect the performance of this product here. We have 42 LED bar beats with a brightness level in 5 levels: 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, and 100%. We have different color temperatures: 3000 Kelvin, 4 Kelvin, 1000, 5 Kelvin, 1000, 5500 Kelvin, and of course 6500 K. That means warm light to cool white. You can choose. The power is 6 watt. The lumens are 450. It is 15 inches tall, 12 inches in height, 43 inches is the bottom base, and 7 inches is the bottom base in the other way. It is 90 degrees foldable and 180 degrees foldable. It has an integrated USB port and it's CE, FCC, and UKCA certified. This is the Azhien LED desk lamp. It's a dimmable desk light with USB charging port, 5 lighting modes, 5 brightness levels. It's a modern, eye-catching, bright table lamp with touch control and timer function. Up to 45 minutes for working, for sleeping, for studying, and here it comes in a white finish. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.